Hello friends, today I'm talking to you from outside my RV and we're going to talk about open spaces, a great place to be when we're talking about open spaces. But I'm not necessarily speaking of a big open blue sky or big open fields, although those are great places to be. I'm talking about open spaces in your home. So let's take it outside for a minute in your mind. Let's go to a vacation that you took where there was an open space. Maybe you were sitting on a beach and looking at the ocean. Maybe you were on a mountainside looking at the big valley below. Maybe you were laying on your back in a hammock and looking at the big blue cloudless sky. Maybe you were looking over a beautiful valley from a hillside or a meadow or some other open space. Let's take it to the beginning of your vacation. Maybe you're staying in a hotel room and you go into the hotel room. It's a nice hotel. You open the door and it's all beautiful and clean and clear and well appointed. There's space. There's places to walk. The bed is just perfectly made. There's nothing laying on it that's extraneous. And you think, look what a beautiful room. That's what your first thought is. And then when you get in there and you start unpacking and throwing things hither and yon, you get overwhelmed because all of a sudden the room starts to close in on you because you've got things everywhere. And so you start saying, let's get out of here and go see this city or go see this area that we're in. So what is that telling you? That's telling you that you crave open spaces. When you walked into the room, you took a cleansing breath. You said, what a beautiful place. When you stand on the side of a mountain and look out over the mountains in the distance and the beautiful valley below, you take a deep breath and you go, oh, that's so beautiful. When you're laying on your back in a hammock and you're looking up at the beautiful blue sky, you say, oh, that's so pretty, right? When you look out over a meadow, a silent meadow or a meadow with little birds singing and little flowers dancing in the wind, it's open space, you think, oh, it's so pretty. It's a soothing thing to your soul. It's a balm to your soul, created by God for you. And you can create spaces like that in your home. And the idea is to clean the flat spaces, clear them. Your bed is where you want to start. You want to start with a flat space. When you make your bed, even if you have throw pillows up at the top and whatever, the majority of the bed is a big, open, flat space so that when you walk in your room, you tend to go, you might not notice that little sigh, but it's happening and it's a release of tension. Now, when the floors are clogged up, you can't do that. So you want to get those floors cleared as well. When you walk into a room with a cleared floor, a cleared bed, cleared tabletops, cleared desktops and dresser tops and bureau tops, just the right amount of artwork on the wall, nothing broken, no hanging lampshade, and you walk into a room like that. It doesn't have to be an expensive room. It doesn't have to have expensive pieces in it. It just needs to be clean, well maintained, and have open space. That is going to be a balm to your soul. That is going to be something that gives you peace. So can you imagine your whole house being that way? You walk in the front door, you have gleaming wood floors, or you've got nice, clean, well vacuumed carpets. You've got tables with just an appointment here and there on it, nothing full of over mounds of things, no mounds of laundry, no mounds of books, no mounds of just accoutrements, things from the house that just add up. I always say dog leashes, gloves, keys, just things start to pile up, papers. That is not good for your soul. When you walk into a house like that, it just makes you want to go, ooh, ooh. And a lot of times what we do is we sit down and we say, where do I begin? Where do I begin? I'm overwhelmed. I don't want to do anything. So where do you begin? You begin with the hidden spaces, the places where you can't see the clutter. The reason you begin with hidden spaces is that you have to have a place to put everything in your house. So you're going to begin by opening a hidden space. and you're going to declutter it for 15 minutes, 4 times in 1 week in one room. You're going to declutter a space. Most things you can declutter in 15 minutes are about the size of a banker's box. Most average things can be decluttered in about 15 minutes. Again, you're going to want a garbage bag, a giveaway box, and a put away basket. And when you sit there or stand there, you've already gone to the bathroom, you've had a drink of water, you're not hungry, you've got some music on, and you've told everyone to leave you be for 15 minutes. And now when the timer starts, you start. And you go through what's in that hidden space. You go through it and you say, throw away, give away, ooh, keep, give away, throw away. And that's what you do. You can't keep, because if you do, when you put it back, there's still not going to be any room for all that stuff out here that you've been using, and this stuff that you never saw because you didn't even know what was in there is going to continue to take up valuable real estate in your home. So you want to create an open space once you've decluttered this so that you have some shelves in that closet or that drawer, some empty drawers or whatever, and then you're going to put back in on those shelves in that drawer what you have pre-designated that drawer to hold. So let's say that the shelves are going to be bookshelves, and you had everything stuffed in there, just junk. Things when you cleared the room before somebody came over that you hid in there. Okay, and now you forgot that you had those things laying around, and some of it's really just trash. Some of it are things that are good, but you don't need them or love them or use them. How long has it been in there? Do you really love it? I mean, it is possible that you can find something you really love, and that's okay. This is your home. But your goal is to have open spaces so that even when you put the things back, it's not like this. Like the books aren't just jammed in there like that, but more like some books, something on its side, something else, so maybe some books leaning. You've got room. It's like a natural forest. It's not jammed together so that you can't get things in and out. You won't enjoy the items that you have in there. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to declutter hidden spaces. Once you've decluttered your hidden spaces and you've left room, hopefully lots of room, you're going to start working on the next stage of that particular zone. When you're in the zone, it's going to have to hold till the next month when you come back to the zone. But then you can start decluttering in the room the same way you did in the hidden space. And you can say, throw away, give away, ooh, keep, throw away, give away, ooh, keep, oh, keep, oh, give away, okay? And when you're done, then you're going to take the giveaway to the back of the car. You're going to take the throwaway and put it in the garbage outside, tied up so no one can get into it. And then that put away, you're going to put in designated spots. If you have found that you've decluttered things that belong in a different space, in a different room, or whatever, then go put it in that room. It's not ready to go on the shelf yet because you don't have room on the shelf or in the drawer or in the closet. If that's the case, it goes in a corner in that room. The whole point of this is that like things go together, that's organization, and that you have flat, open spaces. That is going to give you peace. I hope that you do this, try it today, and always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.